Hey everyone, today we're diving into the Supermicro X9SRI-F-O Motherboard, designed to be the backbone of your server setup. Packing an LGA 2011 socket, this board is built to support Intel Xeon E5-2600E5-1600 processors, offering up to 8 cores and handling power up to 130W. Powered by the Intel C602 chipset, it ensures stability and reliability for your server tasks. One of the standout features here is the memory support. With 8 DDR3 DIMM slots, it can handle up to a whopping 256GB of ECC reg memory, or up to 64GB of ECC non-ECC unbuffered memory. That's some serious capacity for your data-intensive applications. In terms of expansion, you've got plenty of options. 2 PCI Express 3.0x16 slots, one running at X8, and one PCI Express 2.0x16 slot at X4, provide room for additional cards, whether for networking, storage, or other specialized needs. And with support for SATA RAID configurations, your data stays safe and accessible. Connectivity-wise, it's got you covered with 9 USB 2.0 ports, PS2 keyboard and mouse ports, VGA and serial ports, and dual gigabit Ethernet controllers powered by Intel i350 chips, ensuring fast and reliable network performance. Whether you're building a small business server or a powerful workstation, the Supermicro X9SRI-F-O Motherboard offers the performance, reliability, and expandability you need to get the job done. So if you're looking for the ultimate foundation for your server build, look no further. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.